So this is the Korean brand Rom&nd, and this is the Better Than palette Mahogany Garden. And as you can see, it's a very lustrous brown, rich tone palette, and I love the mattes from this brand. So I'm going to show you a look now, and what I'm wearing is this corner dark shade, a little bit of this one in the middle, and the light one inside, and then this rose gold glitter. My skin tone is just too pale for this tone to work on me. It looks too yellow. This particular shade here, it's very coppery, but the texture is horrible. It doesn't smooth out well at all. I would give that a miss. This one in the middle here is very nice. It's kind of a copper tone, I guess. It's hard to tell on the camera here with the glitter. And this texture isn't too bad for me, but the coloring, again, is a little too warm. This is absolutely beautiful. It really is stunning. The duochrome effects, the camera just can't capture it. It's beautiful, but I can't wear it because it's too chunky. It's much better texture than this one on the end, which is very gritty and inconsistent. This one is more inconsistent, but the flakes get everywhere. It doesn't do it for me. This one is beautiful though, this rose gold color. I do enjoy that. But overall, the Rom&nd palettes, I have a few of them now. And I think that the matte quality is great. I think I live in Japan, so the value for money is wonderful. If my camera will focus here, you can see some of the names that are given to them. I'm not really a fan of shades that are named like this. I prefer numbers and colors. Keep it simple, but it's marketing. Doesn't work for me, but it probably works for a lot of other people. This is a little bit older now. It's starting to look grimy, not terrible. The problem for me, though, is that there's no mirror here. I need to put a mirror right up to my eyeballs to do my makeup. That's why I don't show you on camera, because you wouldn't see much. In fact, my eyesight is so bad that I have no idea if this is in focus or not. I hope it is. And I hope you enjoy having a go with Rom&nd, especially the mattes, which are nice and creamy and soft. Try them out.